Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Kung Fu Wushu Long Fist. Lesson 1. Let's go. Basics. Number 1. Two feet together. Both hand quick on your waist. On guard position. Your high snap to look your left side. Shoot. Same thing. This way. Basics. Number 2. Both hand. Right hand to make a big circle straight. Left hand on blocking right here. And you go punch your right and knee lift. Make sure your toe point go high you can. Basics. Number 3. You stop to your left, blocking, shoot, right here. Same side like your high. And sometimes you go boom, blocking, shoot, right this way. And you go punch 1. With your vertical punch, right, boom, left. And you twist. For other side, boom, punch. With your both stance. When your knee front, straight your knee behind. Basics. Number 4. Tap your left, same time your right hand from top. Blocking your right. Your left hand from the wrist and straight. Go attack the shoulder. And go down with drop stance. Make sure straight knee, your toe go this way. Basics. Number 5. You both are open what you can and stack your right. Come back your waist. Stack your left. Heel up. Push. Slow go down. Very important, your body stay center line. If you can. 1, open, 2. Not too big, not too small. 2 sides. Go down. Stay center. Very important. You both hands from the left all the way up to the right. Stack your right. Face together. Both hands come back front of your chest and push. With your empty stance, all weight. Right, this line, behind line. Go point. This is empty. Empty stance. Also called tight stance. Make step. Pass your both hand. Stay center line. And transfer. Knee lift. Make sure, if you want to keep good balance, your right hand always higher right here. Left hand a little bit below. Thus, you can keep good balance. That's all for today, my friend. In lesson 1, long fist. It's a continual version of 5 stance form. In this lesson, we're learning 5 stances plus knee lift, which is 提膝. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. I see you in next video. And bye bye.